Get ready. What you're about to see is power unleashed. These machines are carving through nature with savage force and surgical accuracy. It's not just action, it's a mechanical masterpiece that stuns the senses. These men are true craftsmen, skilled, synchronized, and deeply aware of their environment. Their actions remind us that forestry isn't just about cutting trees. It's about doing it responsibly, with care for people and the planet. Near miss. Moments like that remind us 1 second's hesitation out here can cost everything. Safety isn't optional. The Garo WH-60-1, paired with the legendary 24.8 DF chainsaw head, might look modest, but don't let that fool you. Its performance in the rugged forests of Region T is turning heads. With a full forest guarding kit, an automatic fire suppression system, and impressive durability, this Chinese-built excavator is challenging old assumptions. In this game, reliability and safety define success. You see that stump? It's a tank. And yeah, I thought this machine would slice through it like hot steel. But nope, they're grinding it down, letting the forest reclaim it. This ain't about speed. It's about doing it right. Burning is easy. Restoring takes guts. Some machines work hard. Others work smart. The W1000 does both. Designed for durability and ease of use, this log breaker combines brute strength with refined engineering. Fewer breakdowns, more productivity, and a smoother ride all around. No machines, no noise. Just hooves, harnesses, and human hands. In the forests of Montana, horse logging still thrives, a living legacy of hard work and harmony with nature. It's more than tradition. It's a reminder that progress doesn't always mean leaving the past behind.
Looking good. Keep going. Keep her going. Keep her going. Oh. All around. All around. All around. Whoa. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little more. A little more. A little more. Whoa. 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 Good. Good. going for it. Dig. 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 Let him pull. Yep.
Sustaining the redwoods means making tough choices. Strategic thinning clears the way for the next generation of giants, stronger, taller, and better equipped to weather the future. At the old ways, stump removal is now fast, clean, and powerful. The Savannah 1720 doesn't mess around. It rips out stumps with ease, and when teamed with the rotating rake, you're not just clearing land, you're transforming it. 40 acres a day, that's next level efficiency. This isn't just a truck, it's a way of life. The Scania R770 roars with 770 horsepower, and the men behind the wheel, they're built for this. You can see the fire in their eyes. This is more than hauling, it's passion in motion. This is Pilato PTH 11200/110M. No crane, no hydraulic fan, just 796 horsepower of pure Volvo power, radio control, and a chipping drum that means business. Smooth, consistent output, job after job. Built for pros who don't have time to mess around. Hey, that's next level delivery. Airborne lumber drop? Bold move. But what's the rush? Unless they're racing to finish a deluxe treehouse for giants. Land clearing done right means working smart. The Deere 135D is perfect for stumps. Big enough for muscle, compact enough for control. It gets the job done faster, easier, and honestly, tearing things out never gets old. Big pile of limbs, logs, and brush. No problem. The Hayohack eats it for breakfast. It's fast, intuitive to operate, and easy on the fuel bill. Turn clutter into clean ground without breaking a sweat. The Woodcracker L700 isn't just powerful, it's precision built. 700mm jaw, 22 tons of crushing force, and a frame made of hardened steel. Whether you're clearing logs or breaking down big limbs, this machine delivers clean, efficient results without breaking a sweat. Tackling tough roads takes more than just raw horsepower. It takes a skilled hand at the wheel. When machine and operator move as one, that's when greatness happens. That's the formula for domination. Was impressive. He just dominated that giant tree in seconds. Made it look easy, but we all know it takes serious skill to make it look that smooth. Video left you amazed, go ahead and leave a comment. Every bit of support fuels the fire behind everything we build. It take to bring down a 3-meter wide pine in a tough to reach zone? Skill, guts, and the right tools. Our latest timber trainee just proved they've got what it takes, mastering the job with a steel 661 and a whole lot of heart. Hats off to a strong finish. Are you feeling the machine fever? Let us know in the comments below. We want to hear from you. If you're loving this wild ride, hit that like button and subscribe for more unstoppable machine action. Until next time, stay strong, stay powered, and stay wild.